London Bridge Beach, situated in Lake Havasu, Arizona, is an iconic destination known for its unique history. This charming spot has an incredible tale to tell. The beach's most prominent feature, the London Bridge, brings together two vastly different worlds. Originally spanning the River Thames in London, England, the London Bridge was disassembled, transported to Lake Havasu City, and meticulously reassembled here in 1968. This relocation made London Bridge Beach the exclusive home to this historic landmark. It's a remarkable testament to human imagination and the ability to transplant iconic structures to entirely new environments. On the evening in question, the London Bridge Beach took center stage as it gracefully faced the setting sun. The beach's enduring character was unmistakable. Bathed in the golden light of the sun's last rays, it stood as a symbol of resilience and adaptability. The gentle ripples of Lake Havasu's clear waters against the beach's rocky shores provided a soothing backdrop, as if the beach itself were sharing stories of its travels and transformations. The London Bridge Beach, with its red bricks that have witnessed over a century of history, seemed to narrate its own tales. Its arches reached for the sky, mirroring the colors of the Arizona sunset. The beach embodied a convergence of history and natural beauty, and it was in that moment that it came alive. It was a living testament to the enduring journey of time. It symbolized the resilience of human ingenuity and the powerful force of imagination that can transport historical landmarks across oceans and continents. Every time you gaze at the photo of London Bridge Beach at sunset, it's the beach's history, its transformation, and its elegant presence that take center stage, reminding us of the ever-evolving stories etched in the sands of time.